Okay, good. Okay. We're going to adjust right in here. Take a deep breath. All the way out. Good. Feel some movement in there?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Relax in here. All the way out. There you go. Good. Okay, we're going to get some movement in here. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Good. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. There you go. Bottom leg straight. Let's go right in here. Good. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. There you go. Right here. Okay, take a deep breath. All the way out. There you go. All right. Let's see here. Okay, relax right in here. Good. Okay. What'd you feel there?
I felt my entire spine, head to toe, just
Like decompress.
yes, that felt so nice.
Did you feel that all the way down to the lower back?
All the way down.
Okay. We're gonna try one more there here, okay?
Okay.
Good. Not as much anymore. The second
Not as
time,
much,
right?
but
Yeah.
still great.
Good. Okay.
First one, a lot of lower back.
Good. 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 Okay.